Go ahead, pose, baby.
Hi, I'm Dee. Welcome to our blog. This is my son who was breathing through a trach mask every day. He also had an NG tube for over a year. The sound you hear is him breathing through his tracheotomy mask. The sound you hear may sound different, but every breath that he takes is a reminder of his strength and resilience. We had to get the trach for him or he wouldn't have been able to leave the hospital. So that was really tough on us, but once we got him home, he ended up doing a lot better. I share these moments to help other parents and raise awareness about life with a trach. You're not alone. The trach mask that he has on is just providing oxygen to him through his throat. The NG tube that you see through his nose is providing him his meals. I'll share more in my next video. Please leave a comment of encouragement and I'll talk to you later.